Hi guys, I thought of bringing this video to you as I heard this rather sad news. The news is Microsoft is shutting down Skype. So this is quite sad news as we have used Skype at some point in our lives. So Skype will be officially shut down on May 5th, and you can read about it in Google. I mean, there are plenty of news articles regarding giving more information on this. And to be honest, haven't used Skype for some time now. The first time I used Skype was back in 2012 or 2013 to communicate with my clients, and after that I only occasionally used Skype. But then came all these other video communication applications, especially WhatsApp, Messenger, and then later on Teams, Zoom. Now we rarely use Skype anymore. So Microsoft has decided to sell it off or shut it down completely. So that's quite saddening because Skype brings good memories to all of us. I think you would agree. So this video is kind of a tribute to Skype, and let's download and try out Skype for one last time before we lose it for good. Okay, so you can download Skype like this. Go to the website. You will see this link, Skype for Windows 10. Yep, I will go ahead. Open Microsoft Store. Let's try clicking get. So it seems Skype is a built-in Microsoft app. Um, Preparing to download. It's installing. To be honest, I'm quite excited just to be using Skype again in a while. Skype content create talk. So let's go through some reviews. No, no reviews. What are the features? Talk face to face over free video call. Use AI powered capabilities. Enjoy free up to date. So these are the few capabilities. So these AI features were probably new. Okay, launch Skype. Skype is launching. Oh yes. So this is Skype. Let's close this. Close this. Copilot, accept and continue. Calls. So let's do calls, chats. You got chats. That's my name. What else do you have? And you can click host a meeting or a new call anyone on Skype. So you got to have connections, right? Back in the day, you got to have connections to Skype. So you need another person's handle or name to call. Actually, I don't have anybody else's names or contacts actually. So we'll do echo sound test.
Hello, welcome to Skype call testing service. After the beep, please record a message. Afterwards, your message will be played back to you.
Hello Skype, it's sad to see you leave us. Um, Thank you for your service. Thank you for being with us all these years, and farewell.
Hello, welcome to Skype call testing service. After the beep, please record a message. Afterwards, your message will be played back to you.
Hello, Skype. Thank you for your service. Thanks for being with us all this time. And it's been a pleasure. Hello, Skype. Thank you for your service. Thanks for being with us all this time. And
If you are able to hear your own voice, then you have configured Skype correctly. If you hear this message, but not your own voice, then something is wrong with your audio recording settings. Please check your microphone and microphone settings or visit skype.com for more help. Thank you for using the Skype call testing service. Goodbye.
goodbye. Okay, I think, yeah, it's pretty sad to see Skype go, but nothing is certain in this life, everything comes and everything ends. So I think, yeah, that's it for Skype. And unfortunately, I don't have any other. Um, let's see if I can call my number. No, no need. Okay. So unfortunately, I don't have anybody else's contact to call. So I think that's it. So as I said again earlier, it's been a pleasure using Skype, and it's very sad to see Skype go. So if you haven't had the chance to use Skype recently, I think you should make the most of it. You still have at least when it's shutting down, you have about 1 month left to try Skype out for one last time. So give it a go and give Skype a good farewell and that it deserves. Right? Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, click the like button, hit subscribe, and see you in another video like this.